As of January 2025, Apple is preparing to launch its next-generation iPhone SE, which is rumored to be rebranded as the iPhone 16e. The device is expected to be released around March or April 2025. The iPhone 16e is anticipated to feature a design reminiscent of the iPhone 14, incorporating a 6.06-inch FHD plus LTPS OLED display with a notch housing Face ID technology, a first for the SE lineup. It is expected to be powered by Apple's A18 chip, offering significant performance enhancements over its predecessors. The device is also rumored to include a single rear camera, flat metal frame, water resistance, and 8 GB of RAM. Pricing is speculated to start at $499, positioning the iPhone 16e as an affordable yet capable option within Apple's smartphone lineup. This release aligns with Apple's strategy to provide budget-friendly devices without compromising on performance or features. Please note that while these details are based on current reports, official confirmation from Apple is pending, and the actual specifications and launch date may vary.